Good morning, dear students. Last class we have studied about how to solve HCF problems. In this class we are going to learn how to solve LCM problems. First you should learn what is the meaning of LCM. LCM means least common multiple. First you should find the multiples of the given number. After find common multiples, which is the least common multiple, that is the LCM of the numbers. Now going to how to solve the LCM problems. First one, find the LCM for the following numbers. 12 and 15. 12 and 15. There are two methods to find the LCM. One is find the factor, find the multiple. After you should list out the common multiple. After which is the least common multiple, that is the answer. Another one method is division method. First you should learn first method 1. First 12. You should list out the multiples of 12. Multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96. That are the multiples of 12. Next, multiples of 15. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90. Next, 105, 120. Like that. This one also 84, 96, 108, 120. Now list out the common multiple. CM. CM is not cheap list. Common multiple. Common multiples are 60 and 120. 60 and 120 are the common multiples. 60 and 120. Which is the least common multiple? Least common multiple means which is the least value to these two? 60 is the least value. No? That's why LCM is 60. This is method 1. Method 2, division method. Method 2 is division method. First you should list out the two numbers in a single column. 12 and 15. If any one number is over 2 tables, yes. First you should take 2 tables. In 2 tables, how many times divide? 2 6 are 1. 15 is divisible by 2? No. Write as it is. Again go to 2 tables. Why? Because 6 is divisible by 2 tables. 2 tables 6, how many times divide? 2 3 are 15, write as it is. Next going to 3 table. In 3 table 3, how many times divide? 3 1 are 3 5 are. Again 5 tables. In 5 table 1, not divided. In 5 table 5, 1 times. Now up to still 1 1, you should solve up to last 1 1. Now multiply those numbers. This is the LCM of 12 and 15. Multiply. LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Multiply is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2 is 4. 4 3 is 12. 12 5 is 60. 60 is the LCM of 12 and 15. In both methods, answer will be same. Comparing this method, division method is very easy. Always we should use division method to find the LCM. Next going to second problem. Find the LCM of 10, 15 and 20. First, you should solve first method. Find the multiples of 10, 15 and 20. Multiples of 10 is, you should write 10 tables. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Next 15 tables. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, like that going up. Next, 20 table. All of them 20 table 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, like that going up. Now find the common multiple. Which are the common multiples of 10, 15 and 20? Observe all of them. 60 are the common multiples. Next common multiples is not there. Next going to this table, another 120. 120 are the common multiples. 120, 60 and 120 are the common multiples. Which is the least common multiple? 60 is the least common multiple. LCM 60. This means smallest number. In this two number, which is the smallest number? 60. No, that's why 60 is the LCM. This is method 1. Now go to method 2. First, we should list out all number in a single column. 10, 15. First, you go to smallest prime number. Which is the smallest prime number? 2. In 2 table, 10 is divisible by? Yes. 15 is not divisible by 20 divisible. In 2 table, 10 how many times divided? 2 5s are. In 2 table, 15 not divisible. Right? That is. In 2 table, 20, 10 times 2 10s are. Next, going to 3 again 2 table. Why? Because 10 is a even number. So that's why go to 2 table. 5 not divisible, 15 not divisible. 10 how many times divided? 2 5s are. Next, go to 2 table. 2 table. 5, 15 and 5, 15 and 5 are divisible by 2 table? No. Next, going to 3 table. In 3 table, 5 divisible? No. That's the right category. In 3 table, 15 how many times divided? 5 times. Right? 5. In 3 table, 5 divisible? Not. That's why right as it is. As it is means 5. In 5 table, now find the. In 5 table, 5 how many times divided? 1 time. 5 1 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 1 ja. Now multiply 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 is the LCM. The LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5 is 60. 60 is the LCM. Therefore, LCM is 60. Any doubt regarding this one? Okay, thank you. Now going to study relations between HCF and LCM and given to numbers. Means HCF, LCM and given to numbers. The relationship between HCF, LCM and two given numbers is H into L is equal to A into B. This is the relationship between HCF, LCM and other two numbers. H means HCF, L means LCM. A and B are the two numbers. Now going to solve, how to solve the problems. See problem set. This is first number, this is second number, this is HCF, this is LCM. In this column, first number is given. Second column, second number is given. Third column, HCF is given. In last column, LCM is given. In this four rows, only 3 values are given. One row is one value is not given. How to find out that value? Observe all of it. First number means this is A. Second number means B. HCF means H according to formula. LCM means L. Using this relationship, find the value of B. First, you should write the formula. H into L is equal to A into B. This is the formula. In first problem, what is the HCF? HCF means H. 4. Substitute 4. What is the value of L? L means LCM 48 is equal to. What is the value of A? A value is 12. What is the value of B? We don't know. That's why write as it is. Now multiply. 4 into 48. 48 4 ja. How much? 4 8 ja. 32 2 3 carry. 4 4 ja 16. 16 plus 3 192. 12 into B 12 B. Find the value of B. How to find out B value? 12B is equal to 192. Now find the value of B is equal to 192 divided by 12. This 12 going LHS to RHS, this will become divide. Divide means reverse operations. Multiplication practice there. Going LHS to RHS, this will become divide. Addition practice there. Going LHS to RHS, this will become subtract, like that. Reverse operations. In 12 table, 1 into how many times divide? 12 1 ja 12. 12 1 ja 12. 7 is the remainder, 72. 12 6 ja 72. Therefore, B is equal to 12. That's 16. The value of B is 16. The value of B is 16. The second number is 16. Any doubt? Next, going to solve next problems. First we should write the relationship between HCF, LCM and other two numbers. The relationship is H into L is equal to A into B. Now substitute the value. A means 15, B means 20, H means 5, L is not given. Write as it is. Now multiply 5 into L, 5L. You put 15, 20 is up. 15, 2 is the 30. Put 1 0 as it is. 300. Now find the value of L. L is the variable. L rate as it is 300. This 5 going LHS to RHS. This will become divide. Divide means 5 denominator. So divide 300 in 5 table. How many times? 5 1 0 5, 5 6. Put 1 0 as it is. L is equal to 60. The value of LCM is 60. Any doubt? Next going to third problem. First we should write the relationship. H into L is equal to A into B is the relationship. In this problem, A value not given, write as it is. B value 14, H value 7, H value 7, L value 42. A value we don't know, write as it is. Value of B is 14. Now multiply 742 are 7 to the 14 for 1 carry 7 for the 28 29 294 294 A into 14 14A. Which is the variable? A is the variable. We should find the value of A. 14A is equal to 294. Now find the value of A. A is equal to 294 divided by 14. In 14 tables, 294, how many times divide? So divide it. 41 is the 14, 42 is the 28, 1 is the remainder. 14, how many times? 1 time. Therefore, A is equal to 21. In third problem, the value of A is 21. Next, last problem. How to solve this problem? First, you should write the relationship between HCF, LCM and other two numbers. The relationship between HCF, LCM and other two numbers is H into L is equal to A into B. In these problems, A value given, B value given, H value not given, L value given. Now, H value not given, so that's why write H as it is. L value is given 45. A value is given 9. Value of B is 15. Now simplify. 45 into H, 45H, 45H. 9 15 ja, 59 ja how much? 135. 135. Now find the value of H. H means HCF. It is equal to 135. This 45 divide, coming LHS to RHS, this will become divide. Why? Because H into 45, 45H. That's why going LHS to RHS, this will become reverse operations. Reverse operations means in multiplication is there, division is there, multiplication, addition is there, subtraction is there, addition, like that. In 45 tables, 135 over x divide 45 1 ja, 45 3 ja, 135. Therefore, x is equal to 3. The HCF is 3. This is the HCF for last problem. Any doubt regarding these problems? Okay, thank you.